Well, got a huge rain deluge, and it's coming down the side of the hill. Brown water over the little bridge and out into the pond. Oh no, we're gonna have brown ponds and nothing we can do. Too much water. But yeah, it's, I don't know if you can see, yeah, it's really coming out of there pretty good. So, oops. So that's the report here from the Pond-erosa. Spring rain, deluge. This is the water coming out of the pipe at the far end of the pond. It's actually coming out of both of them. This is right after the big rainstorm. So yeah, look at this. Let me take a look in there. I've never seen the pipe so full of water. It looks like it's halfway up, running out of there like crazy. Let's go back and look at the stream in the back. Some water rushing, and this is at the end of the pasture. This is the water coming out of the pond from the pipe. It's a river. It sounds like a river flowing. We're going to come around over this way, and it's kind of flooded here, so we'll head back to the bridge in the back. Yep, this is the Little Tom Creek, the back of the property. There's the bridge you walk over that's submerged. And that's the swamp. It's all full of water. It's like a million mosquitoes back here. But that is just totally awesome. There's the bank. And that is totally overflowing the bank. Flood level. Peak crest level at the Pond-erosa. Okay, a little bit further down from the bridge, the river is just flowing like crazy. There's about 1 billion mosquitoes back here, but worth it to see the rainstorm and flood of June 27th, 2013. See you later. Okay, we're a little bit more downstream here, kind of in the center of the property. Water's flowing pretty fast. It's actually broken off. The main stream goes to the left, but the water's so high it's flowed off to the right there, and then joined up together down the way. Huge amount of water came down a few hours ago. Okay, heading back home. See you later.